In this video, we'll talk about reorganizing content and structure. More precisely, we'll show you how to manipulate metadata during a migration or import, manipulate metadata while keeping the content where it already is, and mass edit settings and properties in your environment. With ShareGate, you can copy your sites as is, but you can also easily reorganize your site hierarchy. For example, demote a site collection by copying it as a subsite of another site, or promote a subsite by merging it into a site collection. While you can reorganize your sites, you can also reorganize your content, either using the copy content or the import functions. The options in allowing you to reorganize your content are the same with all these features. You can copy now to copy everything as is, preserving authors, timestamps, and metadata. Do an advanced copy to modify certain default behaviors. This is where you'll find the copy options. If you'd like, you have the option to create and save a custom template so you can reuse the same settings at any time. Back to the migration window, you can use Excel to export and modify your metadata, then import the modified file at your destination. Excel allows you and your colleagues to collaborate. It becomes easy to send the file to a colleague who knows the data inside and out. For example, that person can modify the file and send it back to the one responsible for the migration. Excel is also a great way to modify metadata without necessarily moving the data to a different location. Select a list or library from the Explorer to bulk edit the content. From here, use the export metadata and import and edit functions to manipulate the metadata using Excel. From the Explorer, you also have the option to download the content. This is a great way to export the content locally, allowing you to clean up your SharePoint sites without losing the data. Finally, sites, lists, libraries, and document settings or properties can also be managed from the Explorer. Select the wanted object to see what kind of transformations can be applied. For example, you could enable versioning on a list. If you want to edit several objects at once, the best way is to pull out a report which will list the desired elements in the results. For example, run the checked out documents report, and from the results, check these documents in all at once. Or build a custom report to find out about documents that are important to you, and clean the version history in a single operation. As you can see, ShareGate makes it easy to keep your environments organized with simple actions.